Have you been frustrated with spending hours in the kitchen, juggling multiple pots, and still ending up with uneven meals? Imagine having one kitchen gadget that can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and even make yogurt all at the touch of a button. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep pro who loves easy, delicious food, the right Instant Pot can completely change your daily cooking lifestyle. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best Instant Pots to help you save time, cut stress, budget-friendly, and finally enjoy cooking again. Check the links in the description to find your favorite one. The 5th product on our list is Instant Pot Duo Plus. This Instant Pot Duo Plus is the capable, budget-friendly, and space-saving cooker you can own. It's perfect for small households or side dishes. With 9 cooking functions like pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, sterilize, sous vide, make rice, yogurt, or just keep food warm, it's like a mini powerhouse for your kitchen. You will get 13 one-touch smart programs that make it easy to whip up everything from soups to cakes. And with status lights to guide you, you will always know what's happening as you cook. It's fast too, cooking up to 70% quicker than slow methods. The 3-quart size is just right for couples or meal prepping in smaller batches. The pro-grade stainless steel pot with a tri-ply bottom ensures even heating and great results, whether you're simmering. And when you're done, you can clean the pot very easily with a dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot. With 700 watts of power and 10-plus built-in safety features, including overheat protection and an easy seal lid, you get peace of mind with every meal. Looking for a compact, reliable, budget-friendly, and efficient multi-cooker? This Instant Pot Duo Plus might be the ideal option for your kitchen. The 4th place on our list is Instant Pot Pro. This Instant Pot Pro is one of the most feature-packed multi-cookers you can grab. It's perfect for busy families or serious home chefs. With 10 cooking functions in one sleek appliance, you can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, sous vide, steam, bake, sterilize, and even make yogurt or rice. Also, it will keep your food warm until you're ready to eat. The standout feature is the 28 customizable one-touch smart programs that make tackling any recipe a breeze. From hearty dinners to baked treats, just tap and cook. It even preheats 20% faster and cooks meals up to 70% faster than slow methods, so you can save your time. Don't panic about steam release. The gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover ensure a quiet, safe, and stress-free experience every time. Its 8-quart capacity is great for batch cooking, weekly prep, or feeding a hungry group. It can serve up to 8 times at once. Also, the cleaning process is so easy. Both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, so you can skip the sink battle. With 1,400 watts of power, this Instant Pot brings serious performance. And built-in safety features like overheat protection, an auto-sealing lid, and easy grip inner pot handles give you total peace of mind. You'll also get a little bonus, an extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer with handles to get you started right. Looking to cook faster, smarter, and with less mess? This Instant Pot Pro could be the most game-changing tool in your kitchen. The 3rd product on our list is the Instant Pot Pro Plus. This Instant Pot Pro Plus is one of the most advanced and user-friendly multi-cookers you can bring into your kitchen. It's made for serious versatility. It offers 10 cooking functions in one device like pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, sous vide, make rice or yogurt, and more. Even you can use NutriBoost for rich textures or simply keep meals warm. The real magic of this pot is its smart guided cooking. Just connect it to the Instant Connect app and unlock 2,000+ interactive recipes with real-time control from your phone. You'll follow step-by-step instructions, adjust settings, or switch functions without touching the cooker. Here you will get the Whisper Quiet steam release, which will operate safely and silently. And with a one-touch button or remote steam release via the app, you're always in control. Moreover, the stainless steel pot with an aluminum core ensures fast heating that is great for searing and sautéing like a pro. It's stovetop and oven safe, up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook your way with total flexibility. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families, batch cooking, or weekly meal prep. Both the pot and accessories are dishwasher safe. It even includes a steam rack and extra sealing ring. So, you can clean your Instant Pot easily. With 1200 watts of power and 10 plus safety features built in, this Instant Pot keeps cooking fast, efficient, and worry-free. If you're looking to take your cooking game to the next level with smart features and pro level of performance, this Instant Pot Pro Plus could be your best friend for your kitchen. The second product on our list is the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. This Instant Pot Pro Crisp is one of the most premium, flexible, and feature-rich cookers you can bring into your kitchen. With 11 cooking functions, you can pressure cook, air fry, slow cook, steam, sauté, sous vide, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, or simply keep food warm all in one sleek appliance. In this pot, you will get the flexibility of 2 removable lids, letting you switch between pressure cooking and air frying with ease. By Even Crisp technology, you get that golden crunch with up to 95% less oil that will be perfect for guilt-free indulgence. Cooking is up to 75% faster compared to traditional slow cooking, and status lights guide you every step of the way, so you always know what's happening inside. Its 8-quart capacity makes it ideal for family dinners, weekly meal prep, or big gatherings like potlucks. When you're done, just toss the pressure lid and inner pot in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. This Instant Pot Pro Crisp is also packed with peace of mind by giving more than 10 built-in safety features, including overheat protection and an easy seal lid lock, so you can cook worry-free every time. It also comes with handy extras: a stainless steel rack, multi-level air fryer basket, broil and dehydrating tray, also a protective pad and storage cover. With 1500 watts of power and everything you need in one unit, this Instant Pot is a truly kitchen powerhouse. Do you want a high-speed, flavorful, and flexible Instant Pot? This Instant Pot Pro Crisp could be your smartest kitchen tool. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Instant Pot Duo 60. This multifunction Instant Pot Duo 60 is your all-in-one kitchen hero. It's designed to make your cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. With 7 cooking functions, you can pressure cook, slow cook, heat, steam, make rice, whip up yogurt, or simply keep your meal warm, all at the push of a button. In this pot, you will get 13 customizable one-touch smart programs. You'll easily cook everything from hearty soups to decadent desserts. This appliance can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, giving you more time to enjoy and save your cooking time. Safety is another fact. The easy release steam switch makes steam release fast and safe, while over 10 built-in safety features like overheat protection and an easy seal lid, which will give you peace of mind every time you cook. The amazing reason for its acceptance is its performance. It features a pro-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom that's perfect for heating like a chef. And with a generous 6-quart capacity, you can cook up to 6 servings at once. That's why it will be ideal for families, meal prepping, or feeding a hungry crowd. The cleanup process is very simple too. The lid and inner pot are both dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time relaxing. With 1000 watts of power and a bonus stainless steel steamer rack included, this Instant Pot is ready for just about anything. Looking to simplify your cooking without giving up quality? This Instant Pot Duo 60 could be the smartest choice for you to bring into your kitchen. That's all for our list of the top 5 best Instant Pots on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.